Hello, friends. I know pigeons may not be the most popular birds. However, I don't know about you, but where I live, they are really a part of daily life. Whether they are accumulating around a stack of crumbs, scaring the hell out of us because they will not get off the road, or simply giving us a wonderful greenish substance as a gift to paint our car, they definitely have their importance. So what I have decided to do today is make a little phone plug-in charm. It is for the headphone jack, which not every phone has nowadays, so let me know if you'd like the USB-C version as well. Now, if we're being a bit more serious, pigeons might actually be the first domesticated birds in history. We can see them in art dating back thousands of years BC, and they have proven to be quite helpful to humans, especially during World War I and World War II. They were used as homing pigeons to carry messages to update the different troops, and that led to saving many lives. Also, even though it is not particularly obvious when you see them standing proudly in the middle of the road, pigeons are surprisingly intelligent. They can, for instance, recognize their reflection in a mirror, something cats cannot do, and can also differentiate between various photographs or letters of the alphabet. We humans could also learn from pigeons regarding family relationships. These birds usually mate for life, remain faithful to each other, and most importantly, both males and females share equal roles in caring for and raising the chicks, either for brooding or later on feeding them with a, I quote, pigeon milk, since they both produce it. Now, you might know that doves are often used as symbols of peace, purity and love in art and literature. Yet they strangely look like pigeons, except maybe for the color or the size, when pigeons are more often seen as pests by the townies. In reality, scientifically speaking, there is not much differentiating the two birds. They are from the same family and have rather similar living habits. The distinction is mostly cultural and human perception based. So, as I read in an article, feel free to tell people you're releasing pigeons at your wedding or that you're feeding doves in the park. Scientifically speaking, you will be correct either way. Do you recall a time when you said to yourself, "Oh, it would be so much faster as the crow flies," if only for bypassing a mountain on a hike, for instance? Well, This expression doesn't come from nowhere. Pigeons can fly up to 600 miles a day, which is about 965 kilometers, and their typical flying speed ranges from 50 to 60 miles per hour, which is about 80 to 100 kilometers per hour. Well, friends, that is all for today. I hope you liked the idea. You can put a little bird in the comments if you did, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses.